The thing about adulting is that the weekend passes by rather quickly. This particular Saturday, I dragged myself to the gym. I had no intention of working out, but I had to show up, at least just for the Saturday. I haven't been consistent with this whole weight loss thing, but this is good, very good. I should have added some milk, either almond milk or soy milk. What am I doing today? I have a couple of things to do today. So today I am packaging some items for delivery. Yup. I started a home decor business and you should totally check it out. So these are from my first collection, but this is Rory, very beautiful boho mirror. Oh, very beautiful boho mirror that someone had placed orders for. Hey, who's your daddy? Let's be honest, I don't spend my Saturdays snacking and shopping. Most of the times I'm in bed, getting some rest or working. Other times I'm getting a pedi and sipping on some sweet champagne. Or cooking. I got home very tired yesterday, so I just got home. My battery also died when I was out, and the traffic in Accra this December is insane. I sat in traffic for so long. So yes, I got home tired. I just took off my makeup and just went to bed. I said I was going to sleep in. And then I woke up to use the washroom and my mom was cleaning, so I can't go back to sleep. I ended up cleaning from like 9 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. ish up until like 2 o'clock. Yesterday was amazing. It was one of the few times in a long time that I felt good in my skin. Yesterday I felt good. Like sometimes I'll dress up and I'm like, I don't feel too good. I mean, my tummy was still the same size that it was. It has been for some time. My back fat's very present, but I just really just felt good and I had a good time. I'm not going to lie and say that I'm not going to work towards maybe going back to what I used to look like a year or so ago. I'm going to actively work out and try to have healthier options as opposed to like eating junk and all of that. I ate a little bit of junk yesterday, but it just made me realize that feeling good about yourself or like being happy within is just a decision that you make. Like you just decide to be happy, and no matter what's happening around you, no matter what stage your body is in, you can be happy as you are. So yeah, I'm going to try to be happy one day at a time while I work towards just being all around whatever. I don't know what I'm saying, but okay, so for some reason I've been busy all day and I totally, ouch, where's my eye itchy? I totally forgot that I was actually vlogging. So I just realized that I never showed you what I got when I went to the store opening yesterday. But literally I just got one item because every other thing was not in my size. I got a bodysuit. Talking about fashion, I bought a sewing machine somewhere along the line with the intention of learning how to sew and then eventually sewing stuff for myself, because I really would like to bring some of my ideas to life and also just have unique clothing and save money, of course. This fabric for some time is a tie-dye fabric, I think. So I'm going to commit to sewing for 30 minutes to an hour every day. Of course I still have it in me, of course. I'm going to be doing the first time tag. I really nice having here every 6 steps you can implement if confidently show up at audition. I only forgot to mention that if you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, yeah, and leave a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future, what kind of videos you enjoy from me, and I'll see you next week. Peace out.